Welcome back to the channel. So in my previous video, I talked about Bitcoin. I mentioned that this is a very key price level, which price was threatening to break yesterday. And what I got was a lot of comments about doing a price analysis on Ethereum. So what I want to do today in this video is run you through Ethereum. Now, something very interesting about Ethereum is that it's stronger than Bitcoin. So in a moment's time, I will break down to you why I think if you want to be buying cryptocurrencies between Bitcoin and Ethereum, why you should be buying Ethereum rather than Bitcoin. Okay, just look at the market structure, it should be quite clear. So this right here is the price chart of Ethereum. We are on the daily chart. I like to start off my analysis on the daily chart because it gives you the clearest picture. The lower time frames tends to be very whippy, for example, like the H1, M15. These are time frames which are very hard to see, and I prefer to stick on a daily. So at a glance, just look at the market structure for Ethereum. You have a high here, you have a low here, you have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. Now, just take a look at this level here, which is the recent swing low. Now, you can see that this recent swing low here hasn't been violated, okay? Granted, price did dip below a bit, but just look at this candle, there is no close below this low. Now, if you were to contrast this with Bitcoin, you can see that Bitcoin is weaker because right here you have the high, you have the low, you have higher high, higher low, higher high, and this low right here has been broken on the 8th of September, okay? In fact, this close wasn't too clear, but this close right here on the 10th of September clearly shows that this level is broken. So in Bitcoin's case, we are really stuck in a range of this box right here, but for Ethereum, we are actually at support, okay? Now, if you were to draw this trend line here, okay, let me just plot it so it's clearer. If we connect this to this right here, you can see why price yesterday spiked this level nicely. That's the reason. So market structure wise, it's more bullish than Bitcoin, and that's why I think it's a better option to buy Ethereum if you want to go long in cryptocurrencies. But there's one thing that I want you to pay attention to, and that is this level right over here. Okay, let me just get the level accurately. Switch over to the line chart, bring it down, and just connect it such that it accounts for this high and this high. Okay, then we switch back to the candlestick chart. So this high right here, the recent swing high, before this swing high, okay, this is a recent swing high, sorry, so this is the previous swing high. This is a very important level, okay, because what might happen is that this might be a head and shoulders in the making, where this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So this level right here, 3322, is very key, and you can see that on this day, which is 11th of September, you can see that price found rejection through its wick. Just let me zoom in clearer. You can see that price rejected it strongly. Okay, this is sort of a bit like a pin bar, not the best looking pin bar, but it still shows rejection of this level. Then after that, you get a close above and then you get a close below. So while price is at support, this level is not clear yet. We do not know whether this level is going to hold as support or is it going to hold as resistance. So for this reason, even though we are at support, I recommend that you be a bit patient. Okay, if you want to go long, what I recommend is that you wait for price to close above this candle first. This candle high, we get a day close above something like this to validate that this resistance or this support is going to hold, then you can go long. Now, keep in mind that this is still an uptrend, so if you are buying here, your first target could be the recent high here, and if you just go back, you can see that this recent high is actually previous historical high. Okay, you do not see any price action to the left. Now, if this level is broken, then of course you want to consider this spike here, the candle high, and of course if this is broken, then the sky is the limit, probably is going to the moon. There is no historical price data, and if it really breaks this level, then I would say hold on to your trade, trail your stop loss. Okay, you can use something like a trend line to trail your stop loss, or you can use a moving average. On this channel, I have many videos that teach you how to trail your stop. Okay, if let's say you have a trend line, you can just put the stop loss below the trend line and trail it, or you can use a moving average. On this channel, I have many resources available for you already, so please do check that out. I don't want to cover that in this video. So that's it for this video. If you got value, appreciate you can give me a thumbs up, right? It will really help out the channel. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so. We also have a free day trading guide which we prepared for you, and you can find the link to download it in the description down below. We don't send crypto signals out, but we do send Forex signals out in our Telegram group. So if you are a YouTube subscriber and you have not yet joined us, again, the link is in the description. Please join us. We will show you how we trade the market. You trade the market with us live as we see the market movement. We send you signals on what to watch out for. If not, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next video.